Another homework helper. Hooray! Today we worked on multiplying mixed numbers, which isn't hard, but there's quite a few steps, so I think people get a little confused. So I'm just going to go through doing one of the ones from our homework using both algorithms. Cool? All right, so I'm going to look at number D, or, well, letter D, I guess. 2 1/3 times 3 1/8. 2 1/3 times 3 1/8. So algorithm 1, I'm going to multiply the pieces, right? So I'm going to do 2 times 3, which is 6. 2 times 1/8, which is 2/8, right? Because you do 2 over 1 and then multiply across. 3 times 1/3, which is 1. And 1/3 times 1/8. I'm running out of space. Which is 1 over 24, right? 3 times 8 is 24. So now I just need to add them up. But I have unlike denominators, so I need to make them have like denominators first. So 8 times 3 is 24. 2 times 3 is 6, right? So I have 7 24ths. And 6 and 1 is 7. So I have 7 and 7 24ths. I would have to look to see if I can reduce it, but I can't, so. Algorithm 2. I convert these to mixed numbers and multiply those and then convert it back, right? 2 1/3 as an improper fraction. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Keep the denominator the same. 3 times 8 is 24 plus 1 is 25. Keep the denominator the same, right? 7 times 25. Ooh, what? 7 times 5 is 35, right? 7 times 2 is 14 plus 3 is 17. Making sure you guys are with me. So I have 175 over 24. This is what I mean by when you have a large denominator and a whole number, using this method, you can start to get some pretty big numbers. You know that. So then you have to do 175 divided by 24 to convert it back, right? I can't go into any of these, so I got to think how many times does 24 go into 175? That's 7. That's 28. 14, 15, 16. Borrow. 5, 6, 7. 0, 0, 7, and 7 over 24. Oh my goodness! I got the same answer using both algorithms. So that's how you use them. On ones where you have whole numbers and large denominators, algorithm 2, I think, is more complicated because you end up with ginormous numerators. Algorithm 1 seems like it's more work, but I think the conversions are easier. And don't worry, we'll work on this for a couple days. You can cheer or something.